Hello, my name is Bob, and this is the Eluktronics MECH 16 GP rundown. The MECH 16 GP is a 16-inch laptop made of aluminum and resin, weighing in at 5.4 pounds. The per-key RGB keyboard uses membrane switches for the F keys and number pad, and Cherry MX switches for everything else, with 1.8 millimeters of travel. And up front is a glass precision touchpad. The CPU uses the Intel Core i9-13900HX, which is fully uncorked thanks to our premium modded BIOS. And the GPU options consist of the NVIDIA RTX 4070, 4080, and 4090, which are full power mobile variants, all of which CPU and GPU include liquid metal from the factory. The Electronics Control Center controls everything from the RGB of the keyboard and exterior lighting of your MECH 16 GP, as well as the power limits from the CPU all the way down to enabling or disabling dynamic boost, all the bells and whistles in between, and of course, these machines do include a MUX switch in their BIOS. Port selection on the right-hand side, we have a full-size SD card reader and two USB-A 3.1 ports. On the rear, we have the ports for the liquid cooling solution. We have Thunderbolt 4 and HDMI 2.1. Both are connected to the NVIDIA graphics card, local area network, and barrel power port. And on the left-hand side, we have the USB-A 3.1 and the headphone and mic port. Inside, we have two M.2 slots capable of up to PCIe Gen 4. We have two DDR5 slots and the Wi-Fi 6E card, all user replaceable and upgradable. Powerful laptops require hefty power supplies. The 4080 and 4090 variants will have a 330 watt power supply, and the 4070 will have a 280 watt power supply. This right here is the second generation liquid propulsion package. It has a 120 millimeter radiator and fan. It is not a required component of your MECH 16 GP, but it does enhance the thermals, maximum performance, as well as fan acoustics. The Electronics MECH 16 GP is subtle, compact, and offers premium performance.